another quick bench test over here while we're at it. 1962 Lincoln Continental wiper and wash switch set. So one is basically just a cable, and that one's easy to test. You just move it aside and see if the end actually goes. This one, the wash switch is pretty easy too. You just need 2-pin harness, right? Connect it to a test light and a ground. So we got power coming in on the big alligator. It's going to go over to the Lincoln Mark V ashtray light, and then it's going to ground from there. So that's going to be testing this the switch portion, and then we'll throw vacuum on it really quick and test that as well. So really quick, we just energize the pack, press it in, if you can get a handle on it. Oh wait, I just de-energized the pack. Yeah. So there we go, we got a test light, and then we want to check if this is good really quick, that there's no leaks or anything, and that it opens when we hit that. So let me get that set up. Okay, so I'm energizing. You'll hear the pressure build from the pump or the vacuum, and then when I press the button down, we're gonna open that circuit, and we get a corresponding test light as well, although this is just vacuum test. So those seals in there are good too, because there wasn't any drawdown. You'd tell by the change of the motor. But let's try to wait. You know, it's at 3.5 minutes, and it should only took about 60 seconds. So hope you're doing well, and hope your family's doing well. Peace out.